All right, y'all, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. I've already completed some of my hair off camera. I'm using Afro Springy here in 24 inches and Shine Jam for my roots. So I'm going to apply that first and smooth everything down. I honestly don't like using Shine Jam for my roots. So if you guys have any other suggested products, please leave them in the comments below. And for the install, I am doing the crochet method. I'm not doing these rubber bands super tight at all because I don't like a lot of tension on my scalp. So now I'm just following that with the crochet hook, by the way, and I'm only using one piece of the Afro twist hair for each twist. And I like to twist the hair before I latch it on the crochet hook. I feel like it hooks on better that way, in my opinion. So I'm just pushing the hook through the base of my twist. And then you just want to pull on one side of the Afro twist hair. And you just want to pull that through. And I like to sort of line up each side just to make sure it's even. And once I've done that, I separate my hair and the Afro twist hair in two, and I begin twisting while twisting in the opposite direction. So once I get past my natural hair, I just do a regular 2-strand twist. Now, that is the easiest way I can put it. This hairstyle is very beginner friendly. It's not hard to do at all, especially for those of you who don't know how to braid. This method will be your best friend. This method also creates a clean, secure base without putting too much stress on the roots. With proper care, this style can probably last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, especially if you're using a satin scarf or bonnet at night, which will help reduce friction and help preserve the twist pattern. So I only used 2 packs of hair for this hairstyle, and I know my parts aren't perfect. I was actually going for the large party method for this hairstyle, but it's a work in progress. I'll get there. And I actually got this hair from my local beauty supply store, or you can either get it off Amazon. And all the details about this hair and everything I use will be in the description box below. As I work through a few more twists, I want to talk about why this method is so beginner friendly, especially if you struggle with gripping or tension at the roots. The crochet and rubber band method creates a really secure base without needing a tight grip, which also helps protect your edges and prevents breakage. The X-Pression Springy Twist hair already has the texture you need, so there's no need to fluff, separate, or stretch it. That's what makes the process go faster. It's already right out the pack. One important thing to keep in mind while twisting is keeping your tension consistent from root to tip. Not too tight, just enough to keep the twist neat and uniform. Once you pass your natural hair, you finish it off with a regular 2-strand twist. Throughout this process, don't forget to reapply a little Shine Jam or gel if needed, especially on sections that start to dry out while you're working. Now I'm just finishing everything off by laying my edges. I'm using my favorite colors in Care Edge Gel. Nothing too heavy, just enough to give it a clean, polished finish. So since I'm not dipping my ends in hot water, I'm just going to mist my twist with a little water. This just helps rehydrate the hair and activate any product left in it, and also prep it for the mousse. And that's the final look. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy beginner-friendly styles. Drop a comment if you plan to try Marley twist or have a favorite go-to protective style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.